In this video, I want to show you how we do a torch down leak repair. So this is a leak that we're having on a customer's house. We did a repair and filmed while we were doing the repair. So we don't get too many close-up shots, but this is a real life example on how we like to repair our roofs. Alright, the first thing you want to do is clean the existing membrane. You want to make sure you blow off any dirt, loose granules. If there's a lot of dirt piled up, what you want to do is scrub it down and kind of just loosen up that dirt before you blow it. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to be applying a layer of asphalt primer. What this does is it helps the new asphalt rolled roofing, the new modified bitumen torch down that we're going to be installing in this section. It helps it adhere properly to the existing roof. It does this by coating the existing roof with a light layer of asphalt, and essentially what that does is when the new roll is coming down and being applied, the existing roof already has a layer of asphalt, so like materials bond a lot better than like an old dry roof. The other thing is older roofs do dry out, so what you want to do is you want to saturate that existing older roof with enough asphalt to kind of saturate it to a certain degree so that it's not dry. It has a layer of new asphalt on top of it. So we like to use the spray primer made by APOC is the one that we generally use, but you can use really whatever. They're all pretty much similar. Next thing is we're going to be installing our modified bitumen torch down roof. You can see here we just heat it up as we go along and roll it out. Now keep in mind the installation method that we're using here. What we're not doing is we're not adhering the seams while we roll out the roof. So you can see we're only heating up 2/3 of it. The last third, or the last 5 inches, 6 inches, we're gonna be doing the seams later. This is really depends on kind of everyone's preference. One thing that is good to do is like half at a time. So we'll lay out the roll, torch half of it, then come back, roll the other half back as you saw we just did there, and then we'll torch that side down. Then all the way at the end, we'll torch down those seams. Everyone likes to do it a little bit differently. Torching those seams separately, I think, helps in getting a good bleed out and putting all your energy and focus on getting the seams right, because that's what really matters most. Then we're gonna go around the perimeter and get those seams heated up properly. Always remember when you're torching, you want an 1/8 of an inch to 3/8 of an inch bleed out all around. And you can watch my other videos that we do a better job explaining kind of the details of it. So this is just how to repair as opposed to how to do the specific steps. Now we're gonna go around and do all those edges, get that bleed out that we wanna see before we do the following roll, and just pretty much rinse and repeat. So again, here we're just gonna roll out the entire roll, align it, then bring half of it back, torch half at a time. So we've got that where we want. Now we're gonna roll that out, kick it, cut it. That's the length that we need. Now we're ready to, again, torch half at a time. So you're gonna roll this back to about the halfway point. And this really helps keeping the rolls aligned and in the pattern and in the overlap that you want, and make sure it doesn't get misaligned. Now again, same thing, we're going to do the same thing with the other half of the roll. Again, just remember we're doing the perimeters later, getting the bleed out that we're looking for. there you have it. It's pretty much the same concept to completion. Again, remember to put that mastic and webbing around the perimeter, and reinstall like open. Guys, thanks for watching. We have a lot of videos on our channel related to all types of roofing. And if I missed anything in this video, or if you have any comments on how you like to do it, let me know in the comments below.